Good afternoon, everybody. We're out here in Civil Creek. Something is going on right here. It is a beautiful spring day. And we're trying to get on some bass. So stay tuned. I'm gonna try to cast over there in that tree line. Today we're gonna be starting off with the wacky rig, y'all. Watermelon color. It's the only hook I have. I realized when I got here that I didn't have any wacky rig hooks. So we're gonna improvise and see what we can do. Very windy this morning, or I should say afternoon. Maybe that'll be a good spot to get a hit. It's right on the edge of that. Might need some weight. Who knows? Or I just could get skunked today. Well, guys, been here for about 10 to 15 minutes. We haven't gotten a bite. So we're gonna keep trying, moving along the creek side, seeing if we can find something to catch. Oh. Oh, dude, there's some pretty big sunfish right here. I might need to catch some of those. I can't believe I left my wacky rig hooks. Dude. No. No. Dude, we are done with this one. Man, look at that, yo. Done. Alright, y'all, we bird's nest the paycaster combo in this. Nice. Got one, y'all. Oh no. He's going for cover. We're gonna lose him. Let's go, guys. We caught one. Oh no. we're probably gonna break off. Oh, dude, let's go. Oh man, look at that, y'all. Not bad. Took a long time, but look at that, there's bass in here. Beautiful little guy. Beautiful largemouth. Man, that took so long. Pretty bass, y'all. Pretty bass. Thank you, God, for letting us get on this little, maybe half a pound to a pound bass. Look at that, guys. You have to drop them in. We're on a little cliff. Let's go. Because we only caught one. I'm seeing some, but I'm not catching the ones that I'm seeing. So. There's probably bass all in there. This section of the creek. Alright guys, we're gonna do some micro fishing. Get some footage for y'all. What I did was tied on this San Juan worm. It's weighted, and I can kind of cast it out there. I'm seeing some little bass and some little sunfish. So, let's see if we can catch on them. I mean, get on them. Didn't like it. Look at that. Got one. Maybe it was too windy, y'all. Nice. I think this is a yellow breast. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Going for the San Juan worm. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Oop. Didn't expect that to happen. This creek is straight trash now. Sucks. Pretty tough today. We caught one largemouth and one sunfish, and I mean we've been here for I want to say an hour or two.